nyo lang tong BTC wallet address na to and dyan po tayo magdi-deposit. So dito guys, ang ita-transfer natin na BTC is, so convert lang muna natin yung $1.02. So guys, since meron siyang $0.1 na transaction fee, so gawin nating $1 interest 3 cents. So in Bitcoin, ito po yan. So copy lang natin to. Alright, so in Philippine pesos, kailangan mo lang mag-deposit ng 53 pesos. So as you can see guys, pumasok na po dito yung $1.03 na dineposit ko and pwede na akong bumoto. So punta lang tayo dito sa LucidX. And dito guys, i-drag lang natin to para makaboto and i-click natin tong box na to. So select nyo lang dito yung given image sa my instruction.
$1.
So dito ang gagawin natin ulit is mag-vote tayo ulit and click lang natin tong checkbox. So i-click lang natin ulit tong buy LucidX. Alright guys, since meron na akong enough balance dito to buy LucidX is mag-replace na po ako ng order dito and ang bibiling ko po rito is 0.2 LucidX. Click nyo lang tong place order.
141 new votes.
So as you can see guys, you have bought 02 LucidX as a new emission, total of $2.04 including fees. Alright guys, so nakapag-place na ako ng order and papakita ko na sa inyo dito guys kung paano mag-vote para makakuha kayo ng unlimited rewards. So dito guys, i-drag lang natin ulit to and i-click nyo lang tong checkbox. And then dito guys, i-select nyo lang yung given image sa my instruction. Alright, so as you can see guys, I received $0.01 from my balance. And as you can see guys, meron na akong $1.01. So, pwede tayo ulit mag-vote. So, dito guys, ganun lang ulit. I-select nyo lang yung image given dito sa my instruction. Alright guys, so as you can see, I receive ulit $0.01 and as you can see dito sa may balance ko, meron na akong $1.02. Alright guys, so let's just vote one more time. And ayan guys, yung balance ko na is $1.03 and pwede pa kayong mag-vote yan guys, unlimited po yan. And ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-withdraw dito. So i-click nyo lang tong balance. So dito guys, as you can see, yung minimum withdrawal dito is $0.06 lang, which is good. Napakababa lang ng threshold amount to withdraw. So dito guys, i-enter nyo lang yung amount ng i-withdraw nyo. So let's say mag-withdraw ako ng $0.07. And then dito, i-copy nyo lang yung wallet address nyo. So dito gagamitin ko yung BTC wallet address ko from my Coins PH wallet. So please take note guys, meron po itong transaction or Bitcoin network fee na 0.40 cents. Click lang natin
11
itong
new
withdraw
votes.
button. So ayan guys, as you can see, withdrawal request has been sent. So close natin. So ayan guys, as you can see, processing na po siya and kailangan natin siyang i-confirm sa email natin. And make sure guys na i-check nyo yung spam inbox nyo. So kung wala dito sa primary inbox, i-check nyo dito sa spam. So ayan guys, as you can see, na-receive ko yung email dito sa my spam inbox ko. So ang gagawin nyo guys, i-click nyo lang tong link na to. And as you can see guys, withdrawal confirmed. Okay, balik tayo dun sa website. So, ayan guys, as you can see, yung status is success na po. And wait na lang natin na pumasok sa BTC wallet address ko from my Coins PH wallet. So, as you can see guys, na-receive ko na po yung withdrawal na ni-request ko from Lucid website. So, isa na naman pong paying site kung saan ay makakakuha tayo ng unlimited free Bitcoins. So, that's it for today guys. Kung may mga questions kayo, comment lang kayo down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and press the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga new upload ko.